blade and quill.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. A few weeks ago I created these YouTube shorts. If you have been following my little weekly shorts, you know that they are only about sketching, not painting. Following the video, many of you emailed me using the contact page on my website and showed an interest in learning how to paint skin. I heard you, so here is a step-by-step tutorial with instructions to follow. I hope I did a good job explaining the process. Please let me know if it helped you or not. Your feedback is important to me. So let's get started. Prepare several layers in advance. You can rename them too if you want. As you can see here, I have 5 layers. I have the sketch, a reference image, a blank layer where I will paint the skin, another blank layer where I will add my color swatches, and finally I have a dark background. What we are about to do is use this reference image to pick out different shades of her skin tone and create a palette of colors. Turn off the sketch layer. Click on the color palette layer to make it active. Select a brush. Turn off the pen pressure button. Change the size of your brush if needed. 20 pixels is a good size for what we are about to do. Holding the Ctrl key on your keyboard, pick a color on the image. Paint a swatch of that color on the side and repeat the process gathering all the colors you need. Now that all the colors have been collected, you can get rid of the image. Go to the top layer and unhide your sketch. The very important step here is to lock the alphas. Holding the Ctrl key, pick a color from your color swatches. Fill your sketch with that new color. I want to paint only inside the hand without worrying about putting paint everywhere on the canvas. So to do so, I am going to select the entire hand, including the sketch boundaries. Grab the magic wand. Make sure that the anti-aliasing is turned on. For this project, I had to tweak a little the settings, so I set the fuzziness at 2, the grow selection at 3 pixels, and the feathering radius at 3 pixels. I also checked the use selection as boundary box. Now, as you can see, we are still on the sketch layer. Using the magic wand, click anywhere on the canvas, anywhere outside the sketch is fine. Now go to the Select tab and choose Invert Selection. To see if the hand is fully selected, you can click on this button located at the bottom left of your interface. This button will allow you to see what you have selected. The gray area shows your selection. All the pink around is not part of a selection. Click on the button again to undo the functionality. We are ready to paint the skin. Click on the painting skin layer to make it active and fill it with the color you selected earlier. Do not undo the selection, keep it active. Click back on the sketch layer to make it active. We are going to merge the sketch to the paint layer. Hit Ctrl plus E. Here again, lock the alphas. Choose a new brush. Click B on your keyboard to switch from the magic wand back to the brush. The pen pressure should still be turned off. Change the size and opacity of your brush. Holding the Ctrl key, pick any color and start painting. To create a 3D effect, change your brush opacity settings as needed. Basically, what you are going to do is play with different opacity levels and use different brush sizes. My advice is always start with light colors and make your way up to darker colors. If the color you chose are not enough, don't forget to use the color wheel to help you get the shades you need. Create a new layer. Name it Bright. Choose a white color. Change the size of your brush and paint the bright spots. Using the eraser, set it at a low opacity and changing the size of your brush, reshape the bright spots. And we are done for today. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to add highlights and shadows to this hand. So have a great week and see you next Monday. Bye!